Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Spectrum account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC. Now search for spectrum.net and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be directly taken to its official web page which look like this. Now tap on sign in button at the top right of your screen in order to get logged into your Spectrum account. Once you tap on it, you will be directly taken to its login page. Now here you have to type in your username followed by the password. Now start off by typing in your username. And in the next field, type in your account passwords. And if you want to double check your password, you can tap on eye icon to reveal your password. And if you want your username to be remembered by the system and you don't have to manually type in your username in the next visit, then leave this tick mark as it is. But if you're using shared or others device, then make sure to uncheck this box. And if in case you have forgotten either your username or your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forget username or password link. And once you're done with typing in your username and password, tap on sign in button to get logged into your Spectrum account. If the username and the password you have typed in are correct, then you will be successfully get logged into your Spectrum account. So that's how you can get logged into your Spectrum account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now that's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in my next video.